Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add a boarding pass to Apple Wallet. Firstly, start by opening your airlines app, then go to My Trips or Bookings. Then select Check-in. Depending on the airline, you can usually check in 24 hours before your flight. Through some allow it up to 30 days in advance. Once you've checked in, open your boarding pass in the airline app, then tap Add to Apple Wallet. When the pop-up appears, choose Add to confirm, and you'll now find your boarding pass stored in the Apple Wallet app, ready for easy access at security and boarding gates. Some airlines limit how many passes you can store per device, and in certain cases like extra baggage or special check-in requirements, you might not be able to add a digital boarding pass and will need to check in at the airport instead. Just a tip, once your pass is added, Apple Wallet automatically displays it on your lock screen when you're near the airport. It's just super convenient. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.